Hi everyone, this is the Santorini Dave guide to where to stay in Oia Santorini, located at the northern tip of the island. Santorini's most picturesque town, Oia has some of the island's best hotels, restaurants, and shopping. The town is busy through the day up until sunset, when it's packed in high season, but then gets quiet quickly after the sun sets and visitors return to other parts of the island or back to their cruise ships. Because of its geography, Oia is roughly divided into the south-facing caldera side and the west-facing sunset side. Most hotels enjoy one or the other of these views, and a very select few enjoy both. Upon entering the village, there's a large plaza with an iconic church where the pedestrian-only walkway begins. This marble walkway is a central spine through town, lined with hotels and cafes and shops. Oia is full of shopping opportunities, from Santorini t-shirts and souvenirs to high-end boutiques with fancy fashions and jewelry. One special spot is Atlantis Books, a subterranean cave bookstore crammed full of titles. It's a great town to wander, getting lost in the narrow alleyways, enjoying a meal or drinks while people watching and staring off into the caldera. Before we take a deeper look at Oia, know that you can find lots more detailed information about Santorini at santorinidave.com and subscribe to this channel to follow our other helpful Greek travel videos. The island's most popular sunset viewing spot is from the world-famous Oia Castle ruins, with large crowds assembling here each night. Plan on arriving well before sunset to claim a spot with unobstructed views. Below Oia is the famed Amoudi Bay, where you'll find a handful of excellent seafood restaurants and a walking pathway along the water's edge. Amoudi is an ideal destination for both lunch or dinner. Around the bend, there's a popular swimming spot with a ledge to jump off from if you're feeling adventurous, but no beach. Amoudi is also the main port from which many caldera and sunset boat trips depart. The bay is accessible by vehicle, though you may enjoy walking up or down the roughly 300 steep stairs connecting it to the town above. Oia is also at the beginning or end, depending on which direction you're walking, of the Fira to Oia hiking trail, our #1 most recommended activity during a visit to Santorini. Oia is full of gorgeous hotels. Here are some of our favorites. Catamaran is one of Santorini's original caldera hotels and a pinnacle of glamour, with infinity pools on 3 levels and outstanding restaurants. Canave Suites is an elegant all-suite hotel with stunning views, where the pool deck is transformed into a fine dining restaurant at night. Perivolas is a very private luxury hotel at the south end of the village, away from the hustle, with accommodations in 300-year-old restored caves and beautiful gardens. Mystique is a large, magnificent luxury hotel with 2 great pools and a very romantic open-air French fine dining restaurant. Canave's Epitome on the backside of Oia, facing the sunset and not the caldera, is a more spread-out luxury hotel with greater privacy and one of the finest pools on the island. And Andronis Arcadia, also on the backside of Oia, facing away from the caldera, where accommodations all feature a private terrace with a heated pool and unobstructed sunset sea views. It's also home to many wonderful dining options. We recommend making dinner reservations in advance during the high season to secure a table. Here are some of our favorites. Kanduni is a charming jewel of a restaurant with a romantic candlelit patio under bougainvillea-filled arbors and live traditional Greek music most nights. Elinikan, near the windmills, serves authentic food at affordable prices and has one of the best unobstructed sunset views over the water of any restaurant in Oia. Karma is in a charming garden courtyard serving great breakfast, lunch, and dinner with many healthy vegetarian and vegan options and fresh juices and specialty drinks. Roca is tucked away from the main hustle of Oia, great for a relaxing lunch or romantic dinner with sunset views from the back porch. And Amoudi Fish Tavern is located at the water's edge, perfect for a slow lunch while watching the boats come and go, or a romantic candlelit dinner. There are frequent public buses connecting Oia to Fira, where you can also transfer to reach Santorini's best traditional villages, beaches, wineries, and archaeological sites. As always, you can find lots more detailed information about everything Santorini and the rest of Greece's most popular destinations across the pages of our website, santorinidave.com. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to like it with a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel, as we're constantly adding new content that will help you in planning your visit to Greece and beyond. Thanks for watching.